In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your song as a WAV file in Reaper. Now let's pretend this is my song over here, but it's gonna work the exact same way if you have multiple tracks with multiple effects, audio clips, etc., and of course your entire song. So if you want to export it, the easiest way is gonna be to simply open up your project. You want to go to File, top left, and then you want to go to Render. When you click on Render, over here you can then go ahead and select the source. If you want everything, you want to go with Master Mix, okay? Of course, you could do different things as well. I'm going to go Master Mix, and I'm going to do entire project to export my entire song as a WAV file. Now, in here, you can then select your directories, your file names, where you want to render to, etc., as well as your sample rates, channels, etc. So we have like a bunch of different things in here you can select and change if you want to. I'm just going to skip all this and go directly to the point. So down here it says primary output format. This is the most important part. If you want a WAV file, you want to click on format, click on this drop down and select WAV. Now by default it should be already selected, but if it's not, just go and find the WAV and click on it. If you of course want a secondary output as well, you can do that too. I'm just going to leave it as 1 for now. And of course you can go and select your WAV bit depth over here. You want to select over here how you want to basically treat large files, and you can go and embed tempo. You can write BWF metadata. You can go and select different file names you can embed if you wanna, and you have some additional settings down here, which if you want them, you can just go and basically check mark them like this, so they're blue, which means that setting is gonna get enabled. So whenever you're done, you want to double check your settings, make sure it's WAV, and then click on render one file over here. And as you can see, for me the file already does exist, so I just have to change the name of it over here. What I'm going to do right now is just going to click on here, and I'm going to actually change the name. So I'm going to do project 123 like this, and then I'm going to do a render one file. And there we go. As you can see, it's already finished. For you, if it's a long song, it may take a few seconds. Usually it's super quick, and here you'll see where you can find it. So you can then click on open folder. It's going to open the folder over here where your, of course, song has been exported as a WAV file like this. You can then double click it to open it, or you can just launch it over here. You can select Media Explorer, you can add it to your project, whatever, okay? You can then close this and continue, or close everything because you've exported your song and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.